What's up, YouTube? It's D-Maw. Today I am going to be shooting myself in the spine with my, as usual, P169 .45 caliber airsoft pistol. So let's just see what it does. 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah. That hurt a lot. More than I expected. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. So, that definitely hurt more than any other place I've been shot. Because I did it, like, right on the spine. I do not, no, it did not break the skin, but, okay. So, if you want to see more of my videos, click like and subscribe. And in the comment section below, tell me which place you'd like to see me get shot next. Peace.